Hey everyone, it's Michelle here at Paladin Global Market. Are you looking for ways to increase your listings in the search results? Translation, do you want to sell more on eBay? Well, you're at the right video. I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to break down some of the promotions that eBay has to offer for us as resellers so that we can get our listings seen higher in the search results, which translation means helping you to get more sales online. Let's begin. If you haven't already, subscribe and let's jump into it. Hey everyone, welcome to my computer. Okay, so to go to the promotions area of eBay, we're going to want to go to this main home screen. And then the best way I like to do it is I go to my eBay, then go down to the selling tab. And then from there, you're going to see your options. You're going to want to go to marketing, and then you see here it has promotions. So I'm going to click promotions. Now, I do have a link to a video that I made and I released recently about coupons, where I actually, although I've done a lot of promoted listings through eBay, through their promoted listing standard feature, and I've seen a lot of good success with that. I've gone deeper into their coupons until recently, which I did receive a sale out of that coupon, which is pretty cool. I was just trying to dabble in it because I already do promoted listings. So right here, we're going to want to click on promoted, create a promotion. And then from there, let's look at order discount. So if we want to go in and create a certain order discount, this is the screen that we're going to want to go to, and we'll select down here where it gives us the option for which category. Now we can choose that based on the items that we have listed or that we're about to list. So let's just say here we'll do electronics. And let's tell eBay's computer what's our objective. Do we want to introduce new items? Do we want to attract more buyers at peak times or move older items? And for me, I'm a consignment reseller, so I want to clear out some older inventory so that I can make room for new inventory that's coming in. I have a couple clients that are in line waiting for me to take their inventory. A good problem to have, right? So we're going to move older items. And then from there, it's actually going to give us some recommended ways that we can set this up. So no minimal purchase, we can give them an extra $10 off. I'm not going to do that. That's a little aggressive. We could give them an extra 20% off. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Or you could do an extra 10% off each item. So that encourages repeat buyers or multiple items being sold to the same buyer. So for this one, because I'm an everything seller, I'm not just a clothing seller, I'm not just a collectible seller or an electronic seller. Because I have an everything, I don't see typically a lot of combined shipping because I don't have multiples of the same item typically. I sell on a wide range of items because I'm a consignment reseller. So an extra 20% off, that looks good. So then from there, let's move my little video. Then we're going to hit select items. And then from here, we can create a rule, or we can go in here and actually select which item we want to offer this 20% off. So let's just go in here. I'm going to click select items. And from there, it's going to pre-populate some of my current listings that I have available. Let's say because we are talking about an electronic, let's scroll down here, bear with me, and let's find an electronic. They usually sell pretty quickly, electronics. We'll go with this one, the little desktop mic. So we'll just say that we want to create it for this noise canceling mic. So I'm going to hit confirm selection, which is nice that I can go in here and select just the particular items because some clients may not want me doing discounts, or I should say some items. Now this is not a client's item. This is just one I had from a garage sale. I bought it for $1. But some clients may, if I've entered their inventory in and I just posted it, I'm not going to be ready to do discounts yet. I want to give it the opportunity on the eBay's marketplace to sell for its market value. I've run my comps and I know what the market rates are, so I don't want to discount it yet. But discounts are a nice thing that we can offer to try to get, like I said, stale or older inventory that's sitting there that has a little bit of a slower sell-through rate. We can get those items moving. So let's just say for sake of an example that we've selected this one. I'm going to hit save and review. And this is just to walk through the steps so you know what to do if you're wanting to set up an order discount for yourself. So we can go in here and we can create a name that is visible just to us. No one else will know. So we can keep track of our records. We have the offer type selected. We have just one item selected for this example, and now we can actually select the date range that we want to offer. Currently, it looks like it has it set for about 6 months. I'm just going to leave it in there. It typically will do Pacific Standard Time, although I'm Eastern Time, and that's because eBay's on the West Coast. So we go down here and we can enter a description. So I don't know, 20% off electronics. And then we have an image of the item that we would want to offer that's available. And then we could hit launch, but I'm going to just hit preview. So you go on here and you see this offer discount. This item is here. Offer is not yet active and available, but it does have an extra 20% off and it's showing there. And if I wanted to launch it, I could, but at this point, I'm just gonna leave it in the preview mode. So that is how we do offer discounts. And I hope that gives you some ideas for your future listings. Make sure you check back often because I have some really cool videos coming up where we're gonna go a little more deeper into the promotions options that eBay has to offer. You may not realize they have so many items available, so many different techniques that we can use in our eBay businesses to help get those sales up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. So if you want to learn more about coupon promotions, you're going to want to check out this video where I'll take you on a quick screen share and show you exactly how to set it up for you step by step. I'll see you in the next video. Happy reselling. Bye guys.